Hello everyone, have you ever been stuck with too much paperwork? Trying to manage forms, get signatures, or make mobile apps without knowing how to code? Me too, and it's a real pain, right? But what if I told you there's an easier way to do all this? Today, I'm going to show you something amazing that's now available in Google Workspace. Say hello to Jotform apps. Whether you are a small business owner, a teacher, or just someone who needs to make their work easier, we all face the same problems. Too much paperwork, complicated form builders, and the struggle to get everything signed and organized. These are things that slow us down every day. But what if there was a way to make all this simple? Now Jotform has made it super easy by adding their powerful tools directly into Google Workspace. No more switching between different apps or dealing with compatibility issues. It's all right there for you to use. Let's see what Jotform has to offer. First, we have the Form Builder by Jotform. This tool lets you create forms without any coding. Whether you need to collect sign-ups, registrations, leads, payments, or e-signatures, you can do it all on any device. Next, there's Sign PDF with Jotform Sign. You can turn any PDF into an e-sign document that can be filled out and signed on any device. Super convenient, right? Then we have the mobile app creator for Google Forms by Jotform. With this, you can create your own app without any coding. Just add Google Forms, links, images, and more. Lastly, there is the PDF Filler by Jotform. It turns PDFs into fillable web forms, making it easy to share and collect responses online. And the best part, you can save the completed forms in the original PDF layout. Let's dive a bit deeper into signed PDFs with Jotform Sign. Imagine needing to get a document signed quickly. Instead of printing it out, scanning and emailing it back, you can simply open your PDF with Jotform, turn it into an e-sign document and send it off. It's that easy. To add any of the Jotform apps to your Google Apps, go to Google Apps from here, scroll all the way down and click on More from Google. Since we want to sign a PDF, search for Sign PDF with Jotform Sign. Click to open the app and click Install to add it to Google Apps. Follow the installation instructions and it's done. Now go to Google Drive, upload the PDF you want to sign. Now right click on the PDF, go to Open With, and you'll see the Sign PDF with Jotform Sign option right there. So just click on it. Follow the instructions and it will open the PDF document in the Jotform app. You can click on Detect Field if you want it to automatically find the fields to edit. As you can see, it has automatically detected the fields to sign in. You can also assign these to different persons. Now click on Publish. Enter the name and email address of the signers. Click Send to Sign. This will share the document with the signers to sign. You can also track the progress from here. You can check if it has been completed or declined. So there you have it. No more paper jams, no more waiting. Just a smooth digital experience that saves you time and hassle. Jotform apps are now available in Google Workspace, making your digital work easier and more efficient. Whether you need to create forms, sign PDFs, build mobile apps, or fill out forms online, Jotform has got you covered. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech solutions and tips. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.